Hello friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a credit or debit card on the Bolt app. Go ahead and open up the app, and once you're choosing where you want to go, I'm going to choose the address here. Then you will see basically it will show you the different rides, and of course right above that green button there you will see it shows the method of your current payment. So in my case it is saying Google Pay. I can click there, and now I can choose to add a card. So if the card that I want to use is not in the list, I can go ahead and click add credit or debit card. And then from here, I can put in the card number, the expiration date, the security code, and then this button here that says add card will become green and I can click and add. Once I will add that in and it's successful, guys, the card will be showing up here and I can just select that card now. And once I select the new card, I can click the X in the upper left hand side and that card will be selected. And that's all there is to it, guys. All you have to do, just select the taxi that you want, wait for it to find the driver. Once the driver comes to you, once it is find the driver and confirm the payment, you will see that it will charge that specific card. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.